at Guangzhou and in 2014 at Incheon.
Here comes the first raid, and guess what? It is Shardul to start things off. India know him for his defensive prowess in that left corner. Iran turned to him as a raider, and the first mistake coming from Aslam Inamdar. And Shardul opens the account. In comes Pavan Sehrawat, and he gets Jabari. Superbly done on the right cover. There is that vintage hand touch on the run.
Keep an eye on Fazal Atrachali. That is what he does. Pounces on him. Like a ferocious tiger, Fazal Atrachali is fast and furious. There is no guarantee of a win. De Villiers can. I think he has. Or has he? I think it's the defender's leg that went past the midline.
Watch this here. It's Zafar Danish who comes in. Then Reza. Now the feet go over the midline.
A bit of variety. Will he go for a hand touch on the left cover? I like how he's testing and tempting these 6 defenders to come at him. Will it be Fazal who comes in, gets a left cover, a hand touch on the left cover. Aslam comes in. Well, the left cover was tempted, was lured into that tackle. And a very intelligently executed escape from Aslam Inamdar. Well done.
Fazal, the leader, says, that's okay. The next time you go, I'll come for you. But this could be epic. This could be the first super raid of the match. Is it 3 or is it just 2? At least 2, he gets them. Now a do-or-die raid. But now Zafar Danish gets the better of a very heated Vishal Bhardwaj. And I think India's maturity needs to be tested here. They need to keep their heads level.
India need to just hold themselves back, not get lured into. Oh, that's exactly what Iran don't have to do. That's how you draw your opponent towards you. Nabi Baksh Mohammad Ismail on this occasion has to go back.
This is going to come down to moments of brilliance. There is a moment of brilliance from Fazal Atrachali. The phenom in the left corner.
It was a venomous vice-like grip from the Superman of Iranian Kabaddi. Tries that jump over the right corner, and he has been had. The Indian defense now starting to show glimpses of looking settled. Now that's bad news for Iran.
Watch out, Iran. Here comes India. On the run on Hamid Mirza in the right corner. Pavan Sehrawat rises.
That's not a bad idea at all. Let Fazal be. Attack the others.
1 versus 4 now. No bonus. This is a proper test. A true test. But Jabari, 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 what have you done? All through this encounter. And I think Iran need to think about this. Ghulam Reza needs to think about maybe using Nabi Baksh in the right cover and taking Jabari off.
What is India's approach going to be? Can they be patient enough? Oh, yes! That is where the whole team pounces on the radar. India now in the lead.
Here, super tackle opportunity for the first time. And it is Pavan Sehrawat. Is it a cleanup? I don't think so. I think it might just be one. And then Fazal arrived on the scene. When did Fazal put the touch on? I think it's after. I think it might just be 1 point here. India get the all-out. The comeback that we expected has happened. And India now wrestling control and momentum critically going into half-time. What a time to deliver a mighty blow for Team India. 17-13 at the half. And here we go. Pavan Sehrawat sets us off underway. Remember, when you win the toss and you choose court, you get to raid first in the second half. And that plays a crucial role when the opposition is reduced to 1 or 2 men and you get the opportunity to raid first. Pavan looking for a bonus, which we've not seen too much of because of the quality in that left corner. You've got Fazal Atrachali and Shardul. So not too many players look for a bonus there, but guess what? Pavan can, and he did. The high flyer comes off. That is unbelievable athleticism from the captain of India. Wow.
That is a Pardeep Narwal special. That frog jump, lion jump, call it what you want.
Pavan looking for the jump, then trapped.
This time there was an Iranian wall that he couldn't go over. Tried that jump once again. Got to mix it up.
So overall, you've just got to understand what the rating of Iran is bringing at you, because India's raiders will bring a lot more at Iran. Gets the lethal Reza in the left cover.
Look at the formation, look at the shape. And it's almost worked. He needed support there, Pavan. He's looking at his teammates. Well, that solo tackle did not work. Parvez should have come in. Should have been a lot better. He should have tackled this man from the front there.
We knew we would enjoy this one. We knew we'd have to save our voices. But trying to save the blushes at the moment is Naveen Kumar. I think that is a timely tackle on him with the dash. Kneeling down there, he's knocked him in the face, then he knocks the head back as well. I think he's just got over the line. Okay, so the fingertips didn't go over the line, they actually touched the white tape is the call.
Pavan Kumar Sehrawat, remember, Sunil's got to... Oh yes, they get their man, a super tackle. Keep adding to India's kitty. Well done by Nitin Sunil and Aslam there.
Yeah, Nitin Rawal the key. India made that change, took Vishal Bhardwaj off, brought Nitin Rawal on.
Almost a full house, 6 defenders. The bonus is available for that young man. He's shown great spark. Did he get a hand touch on Fazal? I suppose that's the first time someone's tried a hand touch. Oh, cannot escape. That ankle hold from the right corner, that man. Outstanding work from Iran. Are they forging a comeback here?
Amir Hossain Bastami with a big dive, he launches it. Here comes blockbuster entertainment. And guess who? It's Shadlu. Shadlu! Shadlu! That is a wipeout! That is the moment of this final. Iran, the defending champions, rise again. Courtesy Shadlu, who is not on the left corner, but Shadlu, the raider. What a moment that is. Now I just wonder whether one man has escaped there. I don't think we've got the cleanup act, because I think after contact came in, one man stepped off court after. So this is Iran now eyeing an all-out. And an all-out will bring the game level.
Well, the ebbs and flows of this India versus Iran final, not for the faint-hearted. He's got a bonus already. Arjun Deshwal looking for that dupki. Has been gobbled by the Iranis, and all out. A clean-up act from Iran that takes them into the lead.
It will be level terms.
Well, level score, sorry. 25 apiece now. Yes, that escape. Well done, drew the right corner in. Gets him out, the number 6, Bastami.
This man's done himself no harm. But as a defender, we've not seen Shadlu. We're seeing Shadlu the raider. So for teams that want him as a defender, I just wonder what's going on and what Shadlu India will see later. Been given on the run, looks for the touch. He'll review it if he wants it, he's saying, but it's been given to Shadlu anyway. Where's the touch come? He's gone across, Parvez Banswal, and then looks for Nitin Rawal and makes his way into the lobby after. Oh, point given. Point given to India. And Pavan Sehrawat gets Fazal Atrachali. Captain versus captain, India trumping Iran. When you don't have your leadership of Fazal and Nabi Baksh on the mat in the key moments, it comes down to a moment of brilliance from a young man, Zafar Danish, with a surprise tackle coming in from the right in. Naveen Kumar now packed onto the bench. Pavan versus the mighty Iran defense. In comes the defense. Of course, Pavan. And this is going to be the test as well. Now, what Pavan is saying is that I stepped out into the lobbies before any contact. And there's two versions of the rule. One that's been adopted now, which is even if you did and you headed out in the lobbies, it doesn't matter. And the raid is done as soon as you've stepped out into the lobby. But there is the decision. Raider out, is it? And India will look to review this. Does India have a review though?
Weren't they anyway reviewing it? This is bizarre.
And what Coach Bhaskaran is saying is that it should be 4 for India, 1 for Iran. Yes, the 1 because Pawan's out. Now the heat is on. Pawan going to the referees, and that's not a good sign. 1-1 is the call. Pawan says how? Now this has to end at some stage. At some point you've got to get on with it. Now when you see this going on, from a player perspective, you're going, okay, you know what, I'll start negotiating.
One of the reasons this is happening is that there is lack of clarity among the officials as well.
Now what frame they're looking at is this one, because also here it's a question of when Pawan has exited the court entirely.
I cannot believe this. India will take it. Celebrations in the Indian camp as well. Now this moment is going to decide the gold medal winner, I think, of the Asian Games.
And you know, it's tough to celebrate this moment, Manish, because imagine if this happened to India. Just imagine. I mean, we'll take this moment as Indians here. We'll take anything we'll get, but Fazal saying, how can you give this ruling? How?
Is it a referee giving out his ruling, or is it a negotiation at a vegetable market? What's happening here?
It's ridiculous. Honestly, this is ridiculous. So here comes the final ruling. 4 given to India because the lobby is treated as out of bounds. This is the old ruling. That is the current IKF rule. And India will take 4 points.
Here we go then. Less than a minute left. The bonus is available. India playing a high line. 31-29 it is. Will Sunil go for it? No, almost went for it. Nitesh the right corner. Sunil the right cover. No, the Raider is tempting them to come in. Will it be an empty raid? Time's running out. From the clock, went for the hand touch. They see the, oh yes, they have him. The left corner gets his man with that solo tackle. 32-29, a 3-point lead. India will now believe they have it in the bag.
India now 3 out ahead. He needs to stand there and close this match out.
Such a relief to be talking kabaddi. Finally. Well, that escape should do the job for India. The final whistle will be heard any second now. Or will it? Yes, it has. That is how it's ended, not without its fair share of drama, more than its fair share of drama. The gold will go to India. The men's kabaddi gold for the Indian team. They've beaten Iran in not so ideal circumstances, but well, that is what it is.
Redemption for the Indian men's kabaddi team. India win gold after heartbreak in 2018. After a bronze in 2018. History being created. But Team India, another gold in the bag, courtesy Pawan Sehrawat and the Indian men's kabaddi team.